Unscrew these two places. Oh, okay, unscrew this. Here we go. And also unscrew this. See, this is unscrewed. And this one is unscrewed. Now the carburetor can be separated, I think. Okay, here we go. It's actually very clean, so I don't know. See, it's very clean. It's actually a very clean carburetor. Looks like it was just cleaned. And the floats look like new. So it's probably the fuel pump that's bad. Regardless, I'm gonna spray around this thing, and then try to put it back. See how clean this thing is. And just gonna spray it into here too. There's a jet in there. Oh, this is really clean, by the way. It's not like dirty. Whoops, there's a washer, don't lose it. Everything here, it's so small and tiny. You know, so it's just gonna spray that down. So clean and everything. Carb cleaner. So clean. So the jet in there. Everything is so clean. This thing because it's so clean, you know. So regardless, I'm putting it back. Just gonna